guys, I'm Edwin and I'm here with another short unboxing. It's a very special day for me because I have the best cell phone in the world right now here on my desk and unboxing. It's the latest phone from Huawei P20 Pro. As you can see, it arrived today. Still not opened. I'm going to open it and unbox it. It's a very standard packaging, white, and there is a cover, plastic cover on the packaging. So let's open it and see what's inside. So this is the gorgeous one, Huawei P20 Pro. So the cell phone itself, I will come back to this later. Let's see what's inside. There is a barcode, visit website for customer support. The SIM card tool, and let's see what's inside. Okay, so the SIM card tool is here, and yes, a cover is included. That's very nice actually. So it's a very standard simple PV cover, crystal clear. So it's a very good touch from Huawei to include this one. The manuals, warranty card, and manual. It's in different languages. English at the top here, and then the Swedish comes. I'm living in Sweden. The charger adapter, it's pretty big actually. I would prefer this to be a little bit smaller. It says, I'm not sure if you can see. Let's see if I can focus this thing. It says 2A. Yes, 2A. And the cable, the USB cable, let's see. Yes, as you can see, it's USB Type-C. It is pretty standard nowadays. Pretty short cable. It's about 1 meter, I guess. And earphones. It is also a USB Type-C connection, as you can see. So there is no usual earphones jack on the phone. White and typical standard. And there is an adapter. It is USB Type-C to usual audio jack, 3.5. if you want to use your own headphones. There's nothing else in the packaging, so let's go back to the phone itself. The feeling of holding it, pretty good, I would say. It's not too big, it's about 6.1 inches big display, but it feels like smaller than 5 inches cell phone, because it has very thin bezels. Down here is a bit bigger bezel because of the finger scanner. I guess this is a finger scanner. I ordered the black version. This is the black version. So let's see. Yes, looks like this. Let me see if I can have some help of the other lighting. There are 3 cameras at the back. The main one should be like 40 megapixels. I'm not right now sure which one is which one. I will find out later and I will have a full review of this phone. There is a logo of Huawei here. Metal roundings. There are 2 speakers down here. I'm not sure if it's stereo or if it's a mono, but I'm hoping for stereo, guys. At the side here, power button. There is a gold line over the power button here, if you can see, which gives it a nice feeling, a nice touch. I'm not sure if it has a function, but there is a golden line on the power button. If you can see, let's see. Yes. And these should be the volume buttons. No camera button. I wish it had a dedicated camera button like the Sony cell phones do, but it doesn't. As you can see, there, the back of the cell phone is a king of fingerprint. I'm holding it for like 1 minute or 2 minutes and it tons of fingerprints on it. Wow. You can use it as a mirror if you need it. Pretty good. The flash down here, camera, Leica cameras, 3 cameras. In the front there is 1 camera. It's not a double camera, it's just 1 single camera and a big microphone. So I'm removing this one. I think there is a pre-installed yes, definitely. There is a pre-installed screen protector on it, which is good. It's good to have. Very good. So let's just start it for the first time, and then the rest of it will be left to another full review. Yes. Huawei powered by Android. takes over the user interface of Huawei, and yes, as you can see, the bezels to the sides are very thin, almost non-visible. The bezel to the top is very thin, and you have the maximum space used up here, and down here there is a little bit thicker bezel, but it's due to the finger scanner. I prefer actually that the finger scanner is on the front and not back. It's easier to access and use. Maybe it has other functions too. Let's see if you can click on it. No, there is no click on it. It's just a scanner. So let's see more of this in my next video. And I see a sensor here. It's maybe IR sensor. It's very good to have. And to the side here, the SIM card placement. It should be dual SIM card. Very good to hold, very good build quality feeling. I really like it. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. It's just the right weight to it. And without the cover, it's not slippery. It's very good. You can have a good grip of it. It's not like it's slipping now. It's actually, I cannot move it very easily on my hand. Look, it's not moving. If I can compare to my Nexus 6P, which is 5.7 inches display. Yes. You see, the Nexus is very. It's bigger. It's tall. It's longer, and it's thicker. It's a bit lighter actually, the Nexus one, but yes. So like this, in the back. Yes, as you can see, it's a lot of fingerprints on it already, but the back is not slippery. That's very good. That's very good. The back on the Nexus is matte metal, and it's very slippery. It's not showing any signs of fingerprints, but it's very slippery. I cannot have a good grip of it without a cover. So let's see how it feels if I put it in the cover here. Yes, very good, very nice. It's I would say it was a better grip when it was without the cover actually. Now it's a bit more slippery actually, but then it protects it if you drop it somehow. This phone has a IP67 class, which means that you can have it in a rainy day, maybe not in the swimming pool, maybe because it's not IP68, but you can have it in the bathroom, maybe, and photograph whatever you wanna photograph in the bathroom. But good placement of the holes here for the cover. A little bit misplacing of the sensor, but it's good to have. It's free, cover included, and the buttons responding. Very good. Thank you, Huawei, for this phone, and I will be checking this. I'm going to have a funny evening today, if my children let me, of course. I have a 3-year-old son and 6-month-old daughter, and they want my attention when I'm at home. So I'm not sure how much time I'm going to have with this phone. Thank you for watching Huawei P20 Pro, the black version, and this phone comes with 128 gigabytes of space inside. It's huge. I just forgot to say it. And 6 gigabytes of RAM. It's very good, and the latest processor from Huawei. So it should be very nice to work with, and a very big battery of 4000 mAh. So it's a very good battery too. Until next video, take care guys, and see you again. Thank you. Bye.